Hey guys, it's your boy Peter. Guys, today is another one, guys. So on today's video, guys, it's gonna be an epic one, guys, and we're gonna be talking about the 7 most important things to avoid in automated trading. Guys, you know me as an automated trader. I've been doing this for over 7 years, guys. So right here, right now, guys, what you need to know about automated trading, you've already seen it in other videos, but what you don't know is the things to avoid in order to make you a profitable automated trader. And on today's video, I'm just gonna cover just that, guys. If you don't know me, I go by the name Peter Baloyi. I'm an automated trader, co-founder of Forex Villa Pro, one of the biggest institutions that sells automated trading, guys. So go ahead and check us out on forexvillapro.com. Guys, without saying much, guys, let's get right into it, guys. And guys, here we are. Top 7 things to avoid in automated trading, guys. I couldn't have said it any other way, guys. But before I get into this one, guys, let's just check this other account I'm live trading at right now. Okay, so I see things are a little bit hectic there. And with these files just here, just a little bit. This is automated trading, guys. And remember, automated trading is as risky as manual trading. But here, you just have an edge that you've eliminated all emotions, all human errors. The only thing that's happening here is the algorithm trading for you 24/7. As you can see, we're running at a floating profit of 430. Guys, I've started this account on Monday. So these are the recent losses that I just want to show you guys. But before that, let's go to okay, already on Monday. So I just wanted to show you the current deposits. We deposited 2,650 on this account, and we're sitting at a profit of 10,698 with a total balance of 3,598. That because I withdraw 9,750, guys, yesterday. If you follow me on Telegram, you already know what time it is, what we do here on this channel, guys. You've seen this withdrawal, guys. It doesn't get better than these, guys. So just to show you what the kind of system that we're talking about, this is the AU Quantum, and I'm going to be showing you things to avoid using the AU Quantum as well, guys, because this is the system, just to double check that we're running, that we're using the same thing, guys. As you know me, guys, I like multiple monitors, so this is the same, like everything you need to know. These are the inputs that I'm currently using on the system, guys. So if ever you're gonna be following me, you don't have to be a system owner. I'm just like touching base with the usual system owners, guys, because like you know what, in most cases people think like, you know what, we just talk about these things, we don't really actually do what we talk about, because like this is the system, the AU Quantum, and I'm gonna be showing you 7 most important things to avoid. So guys, there are many things that you can avoid in trading, but when it comes to automated trading, it can be simplified into 7 most important things, guys. The first one that I want to touch base with is unrealistic expectations. You know, some people they fund with $100. Okay, for argument's sake, for this video sake, $50 US, and they expect to turn that into over 5,000 US in just 2 days, guys. I mean, automated trading is powerful, believe me, guys. We've seen massive gains, yes, but this game is about consistency and long-term growth, guys. That's just what the game is all about. You understand? So you gotta trust the process, understand compounding, and stop chasing overnight success. Because like most of you guys you probably seen me on Instagram, and I know like Instagram is a bad example that I should give, but I'm also on Instagram as well. Like maybe you just passed through a video of mine or maybe a reels, where I'm just showing profit, but you don't know the context of that, like the process and how it took me to get there. And remember, on my opening remarks, I spoke about 7 years of automated trading. But guys, to give you like the realist expectation into automated trading, guys, it can take 2 to 3 weeks depending on your knowledge base in trading. But if you're a beginner, it can take up to 6 months, even though you are using automated trading, guys. Especially if like you're still new, you don't know the interface, you don't know the trading platforms as well, and you don't know the system on what's expected to do. But at Forex Villa Pro, we make it so simple because like we have installation videos, things that you can follow. Check out my YouTube channel. We all have those things just for you to follow, guys. And for beginners, guys, you just simply follow those instructions. And if ever like you can, we also do help you with the setup and the installation. And we just show you simple things to follow. You understand? And one thing we cannot control though is your unrealistic expectations, guys. To normalize things, if like you put $50 into AU Quantum, the realized expectation is less than 20% on a daily basis. And if you compound that on a weekly basis, yes, you might flip your $50 into $100 or 150, depending on which lot sizes you're also using as well. But guys, remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. This is automated trading, and it's a matter of consistency, patience, all those things. And you'll see among those like like topics that we're gonna be touching on, things to avoid, is gonna be one where we're talking about, like your brokers, leveraging, all those important aspects. Just wait and see, and then I'll break it down to you one by one, guys. Because you know, expectation on them on is not everything that you need to tighten. And then there's also like turning off the EA too early, like people having panics and fear, things such as that. They can also contribute in why your automated trading journey is not being successful. So like one other thing, even if like you haven't started, guys, like this is one of the most important things to avoid. I always advise use a VPS, because most of you all panic during small drawdown and switch off the robot. Just by losing, on your $50 by losing $2, you start panicking. Hey, maybe this thing's is not working. I mean, like that's like planting a seed and digging it up after 2 days, asking why there are no fruits. You understand? So that doesn't make sense at all. So every year is its ups and downs. Believe me, even the AU contract you just saw there. Just open a trading chart where we just suffered a loss, and we're floating in profit, but we just come straight from suffering a loss. And I didn't switch off. I'm still here. I'm still trading, still black. So what matters is the bigger picture, guys. And I let the AA do its job, give it time to recover and follow through on the strategy, and then track results weekly or monthly, not hourly, guys, not hour by hour. That's impossible. And they say you're gonna plug the system, relax, take away your emotions somewhere else. You understand? Like that's another thing. That's another advantage when you're talking about automated trading, because it's such an edge that we have over manual trading. Because like there are no emotions, no human errors involved. You just let the automation, especially if you know the trading strategy. Well, we're gonna touch on the next few topics. So we're still on topic number 2. We're gonna start that about like knowing the system and trusting the process, guys. You understand? So just let the system run its own things, guys. Don't ever think like, hey, I'm gonna blow, I'm gonna blow. The reason why the system has the stop loss, has the trading features, is just to protect the capital. That's proper risk management on its own, guys. And the trade sizes that you select as well, we're gonna talk about that on the next one. So the next one is avoid over leveraging, guys. I've seen this one too many times. People loading huge lot sizes, guys, on their trading account, on their small trading account. For instance, $100, they put like one standard lot, especially with brokers that are offering like high leverages, like unlimited leverages, such as XNS. XNS is one of the brokers that I go by. As like I like to talk about these guys because I know they're trustworthy. They let you choose a number of options when you opening, like when you're opening a trading account. For instance, you can choose a leverage of 1:10 up to unlimited leverage with this broker, guys. So like this also comes in handy in the matter of understanding what's over leveraging is. You understand? So leverage is powerful but dangerous as well, guys. And then to keep your risk between 1 to 2%, it will be just too difficult for manual traders. But for automated trading, it's so simple, guys. Because like our EA lets you choose the number of positions you want, let you choose the trade size you want, whether if it's in percentage. And the AI trading trends also does this very simply. Just type that you want to risk 2% per trade, and then this is a more than enough kind of like a risk management strategy that you can use, and then use the percentage wisely. Don't go full cowboy if ever like using the AI trading trend or using the AU quantum, guys. Don't go full cowboy mode. Remember, trading is about survival first, profit seconds. And so you gotta survive, make a bigger account, then you're gonna go as big as possible. You saw me, I deposited 2,650 US dollars into that account, and now sitting in 10K. I only withdraw 9.7, but we're still waiting, guys. We're still waiting to grow to get out of our account over to 6K again, and we're gonna withdraw again once we hit 12K. So this is one of those things that we talk about when we're talking about compounding as well. So another thing, guys, we're at number 4 now. You can see the trend is moving so fast. Avoid using multiple EAs on one account without a plan, especially if you know this is your last money, depending on this money, or this is your kind of what they call it, this is your only like account you can afford to fund. So avoid using multiple EAs on that account, guys. Some of you are running 3 different EAs on one account with no structure. There's no plan whatsoever. And remember, you don't even know the trading strategy of those 3 trading EAs. So that's just chaos, guys. If one EA is scalping and another is holding for days, they can interfere with each other, guys. Always separate your systems, use different accounts. And another thing about this broker as well, XNS, guys, I'm not marketing them in any way. I know that they let you open unlimited number of trading accounts. So there's no reason for you to use one trading account and use 3 different EAs into one account. So use different accounts or at least different magic numbers. You understand? So my EA also allows you to choose a different magic number. But guys, most of the people that buy my EAs is just beginners, people like me, or few big fish that buy my EA. You understand? Those when they're allowed to use 3 different EAs into one account. But if you're just a beginner, I recommend you just use one EA or just use a magic number. A magic number is that key number or sets of words, just like a password, that will separate. You understand? and eliminate the interference between EAs. So we'll separate your EA and let your EA focus on what's actually doing without interfering another EA's, trading techniques or trading logic or whatever. So at least use a different magic number across your EAs and make sure each system aligns with your trading goals, because you don't miss short term with long term without errors. You understand? So this is one of the biggest things, because like, understand what your system is good at, whether if it's short term or long term. One thing I can tell you about the AU quantum is that whether if it's short term or long term, this EA is highly adaptable, guys. We're highly profitable when the market is on the European sessions, those big swings on the lower time frames. When I'm talking about lower time frame, I'm not talking about anything less than 5 minutes, guys. So 5 minute time frame and above, that's my lower time frame. And then the other thing is on our time frame, for our time frame, we're also trading very well there. The results speak for themselves, guys. Go to our YouTube channel and watch how the system was tested. Understand the trading logic as well, the trading technique, as well as the trading strategy, guys. And most of these things, guys, you can find these things on our website. Let's go to our website just a little bit and let me show you what I mean about this. Simply go to forexvillapro.com and just go to our website. There it is. This is forexvillapro.com. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of information here. And once you're reading about these, number 1 up to number 5, you read about this. And if you want to know about the trading strategy of the system, guys, definitely go to the guide. If you want to watch instead of reading, go to our YouTube channel. You can definitely click on that. This is a link. You can definitely go into it. But our EA guys, there's different EAs that we have. But this is the AU quantum that I'm talking about. You download that, guys, you don't even have to buy anything to get that information. And then once you're sitting there and reading, you'll understand that, no, man, these guys have already gained the extra mile, because these things are the things that you are definitely understanding on your own without needing anyone to assist you understand them better. So, guys, moving on. You know me, guys. I don't like waste time talk about small things that you guys already know, because like this is Forex Villa Pro, guys. And then now we're at number 5. So the number 5, one other thing to avoid, guys, is trading without understanding the EA. And I've just spoken about this. I just covered this on that thing when I was talking about the website. Definitely go through each and every EA that you want, understand, and read about it, understand, ask questions, even before you buy. This is allowed. Because once you buy our system, guys, you just those system, once we send it to you, there's no way we can recover it back. You understand? So once you pay, you accept that our terms and conditions, you accept that the system is yours, but we'll give you up to 30 days. If ever like you change your mind, then we'll refund you fully. But other than that, guys, understand that. So installing the EA isn't enough, you understand? So if ever like you already have the EA, installing the EA isn't enough. You need to know how it works. What strategy is it using, you understand? Is it trend following, a breakout system? Does it trade during news? Understand the inputs, TB levels, entry points, SL tradings, things like that. These are the more core like aspects of each and every EA, guys. Because like on those things alone, we're talking about like risk management as well, the strategy, the trading logic, how it operates as well. Because like when we're covering the strategy, is it trend following? Is it a breakout system? Does it trade during news? You understand? That's some trading system that uses the trading technique to trade between news, where you just do buy and sells or breakouts, or pending orders, those kind of trading techniques. So understand what kind of a trading system it is. So unfortunately for you, this is not one of those EA. This is a price action system, guys. It follows the price, and it gradually interacts with the market just to find high probability trading setups and enter and execute trade once it finds those high trading opportunities. This all matters, guys. And when you know the logic behind the EA, you trust it more and you don't panic when things get a little rocky. Hence, I also advise you guys go ahead and check what I call strategy tester. Test it on different things. And another thing, while you're testing, understand that strategy tester is just to simulate how the trading strategy works. Things like ticks and points and other aspects, like other things that you can put into considerations are not the same as in life in life trading, such as spreads. They're not the same. You understand? So the margin of error is very high other than live market. So other than the strategy tester, go with the demo account and just test it there. And then another thing, guys, to avoid ignoring news events. Understand? So if you're a price action trader, guys, price action works also as well on the news, guys. No matter how much a spike is, guys, you understand, like the long-term trend of the market will still prevail, guys. Whether if like it's a ranging market or what, that spike that happens during the news won't definitely matter, guys. It's either you catch it, even if you lose, your risk management, features should kick in. So big news move like the big news moves the market. and your EA doesn't have feelings, understand? So it'll still enter a trade even during high volatility. Avoid trading NFP, CPI, or interest rate decisions unless your EA is designed for it. Just like this one is designed for it. So use a news calendar, even the free ones like Forex, like the Forex Forex or investment.com. You can see those things and post trading when it matters. If ever like your EA doesn't trade that, but this one, especially this one, it does have news filters as well. You can definitely use it. So some of our EAs even come with built-in news filters. So use them. You already know it's your boy Peter. Guys, there's a lot coming on. So this was number 6, and we're definitely sitting up there and you're like, why is the last one, Peter? Because like, man, you've given us a mouthful, guys. And a lot of you are still scared. A lot of you are still scared about automated trading. You think like manual trading is gonna be forever. I mean, like, look at the AI. What AI is doing right now, guys. There's no way you're missing out on automated trading, guys. Go to our website. Definitely check our website and see what we're offering, guys. We're offering a lot of multiple things right here, guys. So this is Forex Villa Pro, guys. Check it out. Check our system. We've got system for like any type of market you can think for, even the synthetic markets on the rev. We also cover that. This is one of our most powerful systems we have, and everything that we have here is on a discount. It's on a discount, guys. So get it while you can, get it what you can, get it while you can. So moving forward, guys, there's a lot that we can talk about, things to avoid, but I think these 7 ones, they just sums it up for me, guys. This 7-1, it just sums it up for me. There is no trading without a broker. There is no trading without a broker. Once you get a reputable broker that you can trust, this is it. Guys, open an account with Excellent. Whether through my affiliate or anything, just get an account with Excellent. I know some of you will be like, hey, they manipulate the price here, there, here, and there. I mean, like, they're also in business, guys. And we also make a lot of money out of it. There are times where you can make good money on Excellence, like after news events, because like news events, most people, they blow accounts and they need to take measures. They're required by the law to protect the capital of their clients, whatever. But during those times where you open an account and you choose a leverage of 1 to 2,000, guys, you can make a whole lot. You can literally flip $50 into $500 using one trade and one good lot size. And there you can't do it with risking 1 to 2%, guys. There you need to practice a lot of patience. And believe me, you'll never make money with lot size 0.01. I'm not saying do not use 0.01. I'm just saying, guys, with real money comes greater risk. So number 7, guys, avoid trading on poor brokers or unverified platforms. Understand? So one of the good things, all the brokers that I recommend on my website, you can definitely do check them out from. Let's see. Which one is number 1 here? Because like on the what do you call it, on the phone, they just drop down altogether. So there's XNES, HFM, the Rev FBS, and FX Pro. All these brokers are regulated, guys, and they are very profitable. They're global brokers. So definitely consider any of each one of them. And automated trading is allowed. If ever like you're not going with these brokers, guys, make sure that your brokers, they allow automated trading. Otherwise, you might cry at the end when you want to withdraw your money and they'll be like, hey, check out our terms and conditions. You are using an EA. I know some of the local brokers, they do that a lot. So guys, before we continue, let's look at what's happening with this account. Trading, guys. I don't usually check what's happening with my trading account when I plug and let go. I don't check hour by hour. Guys, if you're checking your trades hour by hour, that's wrong. That's the wrong way to do trading. Let the system open a trade, go to work, maybe after 8 hours, come back home and check that thing. Because like this is what we call your money working for you, guys. The EA lets your money work for you. Woo! That's a serious spike. You see, we're avoiding things like this. We're avoiding things like this where like it just goes up and goes down. And I'm using a highly leveraged account, guys. So bear with me. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to practice risk management. I trust the system. Definitely gonna make money. From Monday to today, we've been making money and we're still making money. So there's no way to changing a winning strategy. So this one is critical, guys. You have the best EA in the world, but if your broker is shady, remember what I just said. If your broker is shady, forget about it. Look at spread, execution speed, leverage, and withdrawal history. Are they able to pay you your money? A good broker gives you the best environment for the EA to perform. And especially if like you get brokers that are saying, no, you can't use EA, you can't use this. What's wrong with the trading EA? It's not like we're plugging it on their servers or anything like that. It's the same as like trading manually, except here you have a set of commands, set of rules that the algorithm has to execute consistently. You understand? And then we always recommend brokers. We've tested ourselves, just like I've shown you, like XNES and others. I'm talking about HFM, the Rev, FX Pro, and FBS. And if you are part of the Forex community, hit us up for guidance if ever like you want to know about the brokers, guys. So, guys, that wraps up everything that I've talked about. I told you, avoid unrealistic expectations when you buy an AA, guys. You might find that I've been having like winning streaks, and then since like I'm not saying like you have bad luck or anything. You might find that on your case, you understand? On your case, we start experiencing a losing mind, and that doesn't mean a winning streak will never come back, guys. You just need to bear with us, follow our way, follow what we're doing, because like there are some EAs that we're no longer selling, like the people call laptop beginner, we're no longer selling because like people were not patient enough and it was bad for beginners. And even the way they were evaluating it, they used to go hour by hour, you understand? And sometimes the EA would execute like one trade in 5 hours and they'll be like, no, it's not working. And they'll be crying. While the EA, there's nothing wrong with the EA. It's how the EA is working. And once they start winning, they don't even bother to give you feedback. Because remember at the beginning, they told you it's not working. But now, since they are experiencing a winning streak, they too, like, they don't just say anything. So another thing, avoid turning off the EA to A. So those small lessons, guys, that doesn't mean anything. Let me show you something. Like you see now, the market is coming back 894. It might drop to 120 something. So again, it doesn't mean something. The market doesn't know who you are. The market doesn't know where you're from. You understand? So there's no way they might be hacking your account or you have bad luck or anything. That doesn't care. Like even your village people, they have nothing to do with this particular market. It's just market moving the way it is. So if you don't practice and work by the rules of the market, then you will be left behind. And then avoid over leveraging, guys. No, this one is good. We all love 1:500. But is it working for you? Why not try 1:50? I mean, if you can't practice risk management, the broker will force you to do risk management. So another thing for like avoid using multiple EAs on one account without a plan. Even if like it's not just one account, guys, just avoid using multiple EAs, especially if like you're a greedy person like me. You understand? If you know, like, okay, on this particular case, even if like you check, I've been using AU Quantum for the longest time now, and I have the neural edge. I can just plug it on the reef. It's just that I got all my money on XNES, understand? And then XNES, the only thing that I love to trade is Great Britain pound, but the cable just use it to the US dollar. And another one is gold, you understand? Or Bitcoin. All those three particular market. I've talked about crypto, I've talked about major currency, I've talked about what is it, a commodity. So all these are different environment, and I've been using one EA like the neural edge. Imagine the power of the system. So I avoid using multiple EAs. I rather have like a private server and plug one there and just let it run non-stop. And besides, you gotta check it on a monthly basis, maybe sometimes on a maybe after work or something like that, and just check how is it doing. But I don't check on a monthly basis. I check it maybe like on a daily basis whenever I'm free. I just want to check like how my profits doing. Even if I'm losing or winning, I don't do anything. I don't interfere with the EA, you understand? So number 5, avoid trading without understanding the EA. This is crucial. Whatever you buy, I believe you wouldn't buy anything that you don't know how it works. And then avoid ignoring news, guys. Let's trade news. Let's make money on news. CPI, NFPs, get a system that trade these kind of things. Like Metaflux does trade news very well, and AU Quantum does trade news very well, as well as Alita Pro does trade news very well. Even on the guide, you will see there. As long as you see that it has a news filter, that means it's a good system that you can use. And then number 7, avoid trading on poor brokers or unverified platforms. It's your boy Peter. Guys, more can be said. Guys, let me leave you with a question, guys. Are you trading with a regulated broker? If yes, hit us up. Tell us which one it is. Do they allow automated trading? Let us know. Other than these guys, you already know. You can talk for the entire day. Check out our specials. Check out everything. And if ever like it's your first time, guys, don't forget to engage us and hit that notification bell. For next time, if ever like we post something as incredible as good one. Without wasting any of your time, let me sign out.